CBSE receives feedback on staggered school unlock. Pune city students excelled in IB Class 10th results 2020. Occasions of India Class 10th exams. Testing and tracking key to school returning, scientist says. Delhi High Court rejects PIL seeking directions to waive off school tuition fee amid coronavirus-induced lockdown. GCSE students allowed to drop poetry in 2021 exams. PCMC pulls up 4 private schools for rule violation. Info panel directs all schools to make safety certificates public. US teachers protest school reopenings, coronavirus cases down in Southwest. School bus operators seek financial relief from Maharashtra government. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN and the daily stories are. School principals largely favor a staggered reopening of classrooms for class 10th and 12th students depending on the COVID-19 situation in the neighborhood. A survey by the Central Board of Secondary Education has found. However, some principals have cautioned against any hurry, saying the parents would not send their children to school unless they feel confident about the safety of their health. Pune City IB Class 10th exam results. Metropolis colleges record 100% move share within the Class 10th outcomes of the worldwide baccalaureate IB board examinations, outcome of which have been introduced on Sunday. 4 college students who scored 98.22% from the town have been from Victorious Kids Educators. Current testing and contact tracking is inadequate to prevent a second wave of the coronavirus after school in UK reopen, scientists have warned. Increased transmissions would be also result from parents not having to stay at home with their children, they say. Researchers said getting pupils back to school was important, but more work has needed to keep the virus in check. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday refused to entertain the public interest litigation seeking directions to the Delhi government to take steps to waive off the school tuition fee amid the ongoing coronavirus-induced lockdown. Poetry is one of the topics that will become optional following the concerns that schools may not be able to cover all areas because of the pandemic. But the head teacher said it amounted to the tinkering of the edges amid the widespread ongoing disruption. The Education Department of the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation has served notices for 4 private schools in the city for forcing students to buy academic materials from them at higher rates in the violation of government order. The PCMC has sealed the rooms in these schools in which the materials, textbook, uniforms, notebooks and others were stored. Expressing apprehension that many schools in the state, both private and government, might not be complying with the laid down standards of building and fire safety norms, putting safety for children and staff at risk. The Punjab State Information Commission has directed all the schools to make safety certificates public. Teachers at dozens of school districts protest from their cars on Monday over plans by some US governors to resume in-class instructions during the coronavirus pandemic, while Arizona, Florida, California and Texas saw declines in new cases. The Bus and Car Operators Confederation of India and School Bus Owner Association have sought financial relief from Maharashtra government amid the COVID-19 lockdown. The association has requested the government for aid for paying the bus staff salaries for entire lockdown period, waiver of taxes, Department of Motor Insurance, extension of moratorium and waiver of interest among others. With this, we shall now wrap up on today's edition on Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, which is www.dan.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.